In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a new inquiry inside of Monolith. From my Monolith tenant, here I'm on my dashboard. So first thing I'm going to do is come over into the left-hand sidebar. And in the case management section, I'm going to click on inquiries. And this is going to open up the list of all the inquiries we have in our Monolith tenant. To create a new inquiry, we're going to click this blue button over here at the top left. And this will open up a pop-up where we can enter information about the new request. So let's say this is a new inquiry. Next, we can select the client, so whoever is requesting this work to be done. So let's just say it's this person here. Next, we can select the case type. Let's just say it's a consultation. Referred by, we can enter in a name for that here. And next we have a little field to add a description. This is a description. And at the bottom, you'll see if your Monolith tenant settings have custom fields enabled for inquiries, you'll see those here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill out this field as well. And then once all my information is populated, I'm going to click Create Inquiry. So my inquiry has been created. It's redirected me to the details page. So all the information we just entered over here, is populating in this left-hand box over here. Our description will show up over here on this right-hand side. If we have evidence items we need to add to this inquiry, we can do that from this evidence tab here. So to add a new evidence item, we would just click New Evidence, and then fill out this information and click Create Evidence, and that will add evidence items associated to this inquiry. If we have documents, so a search warrant, for example, we can upload that to the Documents tab here. So let's just say we're uploading this as a document. And if there are any contacts associated to the case, so, a suspect, witness, anything like that, we can create the contact here. We can select the type, and we can enter all the information required for that, and then click Create Contact. So once we have all of our information populated in our inquiry, over here at the top left, you're going to see a couple of options. Now this drop-down menu here is just the status of the inquiry. So if you need to manually set that to a different status, you can do so here. If we have all the information we need and we're ready to turn this into a case, we have two options for that. So if this is a brand new inquiry where you don't have any existing cases already associated with this, we can click Create Case. This will open up a pop-up modal to enter in some case information. You can select what information to import into the case when we create the case. And we can include evidence numbers if we'd like to, or chain of custody. And what this will do is it will take all the information from this inquiry and populate it into a brand new Monolith case. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel for now on that. And if this inquiry is for a case that we're already working on, a case that already exists in Monolith, we can merge it into an existing case by clicking this Merge Inquiry button here. This will open up a modal where you can select a case to tie it to. So let's say it's tied to this case. And then you can see we have the same options to import the evidence, the people, the documents that we added to this inquiry. And what this will do is we'll add all of that information into the existing case inside of Monolith. And that is how to add an inquiry in Monolith. Thanks for watching.